Modern conflicts aren't decided only by weapons or soldiers. Increasingly, they're decided by energy. Who has it, who can move it, and who can keep it online under pressure. Energy infrastructure has become the silent backbone of power. Grids, fuel pipelines, refineries, battery storage, and power distribution networks determine how long forces can operate and how resilient societies remain during crisis. When energy fails, everything else follows. Unlike traditional targets, energy systems are interconnected. A disruption in one place can cascade across regions. A damaged substation can shut down communications. A fuel shortage can ground vehicles and aircraft. A cyber intrusion into grid controls can paralyze entire cities. That interdependence turns energy into a strategic pressure point. Energy wars don't always look like wars. There may be no explosions, no visible attacks. Instead, there are rolling blackouts, supply bottlenecks, price shocks, and unexplained system failures. The effects feel civilian, but the intent can be strategic. Control matters more than destruction. Disabling energy temporarily could be more effective than destroying it permanently. Short disruptions create uncertainty, force rerouting, and drain resources without provoking immediate retaliation. The battlefield becomes psychological as much as physical. This is why modern planning treats energy as a first-order concern. Protecting infrastructure now means defending both physical assets and digital control systems. Power grids rely on sensors, automation, and remote management, systems that can be targeted without ever crossing a border. Energy storage adds another layer. As forces adopt batteries and alternative power sources, supply chains shift. Rare materials, manufacturing capacity, and charging infrastructure become strategic assets. Energy independence isn't just economic, it's operational. Logistics follows power. An army with fuel can move. An economy with electricity can function. When energy is constrained, options collapse fast. There's also a deterrence angle. Nations that demonstrate resilience, rapid repair, redundancy, decentralized generation, are harder to pressure. Those that rely on fragile or centralized systems invite leverage. Energy wars reward preparation, not reaction. Building resilience costs time and money. But once conflict begins, it's too late to redesign infrastructure. The winners are often decided long before the first visible confrontation. The shift toward electrification and automation only increases the stakes. As more systems depend on consistent power, the consequences of disruption multiply. Energy becomes both shield and weapon. In the future, the most decisive moves may happen far from the front lines. In control rooms, data centers, and supply routes, battles will be fought by engineers, planners, and operators who understand that energy is not just a utility, it's leverage.